It would not be wrong if I say कि intelligence किसी की अपनी जागीर नहीं है, because there's a unique talent hidden in every child or an individual that we have learned in Harvard's intelligence theory earlier. Today I have come up with few challenges which are being faced by parents, and in spite of putting in a lot of efforts, one or the other parenting challenge remains unanswered. Hi everyone, this is Sapna from Brainiac. I am here to discuss with you few techniques which are going to help your kid in a long run. See, every parent's intense desire is that their kids should be an all-rounder. We want them to possess laser concentration, supersonic memory, excellence in academics, and they should be organized, they should be disciplined, etc. 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 इतना कुछ एक बच्चे के लिए इट्स टफ यार. आई मीन सोचो, एक मैथ्स टीचर भी अपने ही फील्ड में एक्सेल करती है, दूसरे सब्जेक्ट्स में नहीं. सी गाइस, इट्स ट्रू दैट it's not any kind of rat race for which we are preparing our child. It's true that we should not and never force them into something they don't like. I too don't believe in grading system. You cannot judge any child's aptitude merely by scores. But no matter what, we have to live with this Indian education system. Students have to perform and score good marks. Obviously, to avoid nagging from parents and acquaintances. Students have to clear primary and secondary stages of schooling, so why not perform it with a better vision? Primarily, parents go through three major challenges. Education pattern, where except teaching, no other skills are taught. Second, students don't listen to parents. And third, they have no idea about their career. Very foggy idea. So in Brainiac, we are providing every solution to your problem. We are associated with a multinational research organization which help in bringing genius in every child. We as a brain trainer take pride to introduce to you a practical solution which will bring a desired outcome in 3 months' time. Be it concentration, focus, memory, self-discipline, clarity of goals, anger management, or stress management. We have a lot of activities in this bundle. It's a package of Smart Mind program wherein we evaluate the child's intelligence primarily from a psychometric test, which is a questionnaire based test which we will be sending you through email, and after attempting that test you have to send us back, and then we'll generate a report through a software which is designed by psychologists and educational experts in such a way that it will give a clear image of the personality, aptitude of the student, and areas that need to be developed. The software of psychometric test has been developed by DMRC Asia Singapore, and it's also having a research center in Japan. DMRC Asia is the second largest company in the world, so it's the most authentic report so far. Then next is we have Smart Mind program, where we will share 6 audio files, one each for improving your memory, self-discipline, that will teach you how to set your goals, how to remove exam fear, belief system, and most importantly, your wheel of life, which should be aligned always. And next comes study skills session. Through video sessions, we'll teach children the study skills that will contribute in spreading up their learnability, that is memory techniques, speed reading, mind mapping, etc. etc. Friends, I cannot sum up such a big issue in one video. There is a lot more to unfold. So I'll come up with new things in my next video. It's time to say goodbye, friends. All I have to say is, which I always say, embrace your intelligence, script your own life, and stay in touch. Goodbye.